Yoga's history is as old as our Indian culture. People from different countries come to explore yoga. It is also known as the heritage of India, which has been practiced since ages. Hello students, today we are going to start with Yoga and Lifestyle, Chapter 3. There are many periods in history of yoga, and each period has representatives to spread the words about yoga and its importance in life to maintain the healthy lifestyle, like the Vedas, pre-classical, classical, post-classical, and modern. In this video, we are going to cover the first topic, asanas and its preventive measures. Asana as a preventive measure. Asana is a body posture, originally a sitting pose for meditation, and later in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga, adding Trikonasana, Padmasana, Shavasana, Shirsasana, Kukut forward bend, Paschimottanasana, and Dhanurasana. The Yoga Sutra of Patanjali defined asana as a position that is steady and comfortable. As a preventive measure, more recently, studies have provided evidence that asana improves flexibility, strength, and balance to reduce stress and conditions related to it, and specifically to alleviate some diseases such as asthma and diabetes. One remarkable aspect of asana is anyone can practice it. One can adjust the level, the intensity depending upon age and capacity. Regular asana practice creates mental clarity and calmness, increase body awareness, relieve chronic stress pattern, relaxes the mind, centers attention, sharpen concentration and self-awareness. Whenever individual roll out their yoga mat and twist their body in different poses, they are also reaping countless health benefit. A person gets benefit in three ways by performing asana. The ways are physiological, psychological, and biochemical. Physiological involves blood pressure decrease, musculoskeletal flexibility, joint rate of motion increases, stable autonomic neurosystem equilibrium, pulse rate decreases, cardiovascular efficiency increase. Psychological benefit includes mood improvement and subjective well-being increases, self-acceptance and self-actualization increases, social adjustment increases, anxiety and depressions decreases. Biochemical include total white blood cell count decrease, sodium decreases, glucose decreases, triglycerides, total cholesterol, SDL good cholesterol increases, total cholesterol decreases, bad cholesterol decreases. Here are some more benefits of asanas on the screen. So now let's move ahead. Here are some questions to test your understanding. The basic yogic principles useful in the management of lifestyle disorder are discussed, including psychological reconditioning and development of appropriate attitude, stress management, normalization of metabolism and relaxation, visualization, contemplative practices, The holistic art and science of yoga in best lifestyle is designed and is effective in managing prevalent lifestyle disorders such as diabetes and hypertension. There are various lifestyle related diseases like obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension and back pain. Asana plays an important role to prevent the lifestyle related diseases. Number 1, maintaining weight. Nowadays, obesity has become a challenging problem for the society. By doing asana daily, we exercise entire organ of our body. By practicing asana regularly, it burns the excess fat of the body and hence maintain a healthy weight. endocrine functions normalizes. Diabetes is one of the most common lifestyle related disease. Diabetes occur due to either the pancreas not producing enough insulin or the body cell not responding properly to the insulin produced. The asana like Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavanmuktasana, Ardha Matsyendra Asana and etc. help to simulate and regulate pancreas to produce insulin, which help to maintain glucose level in the body. Respiratory efficiency increases. Asthma is a common lifestyle related disease. It's occur due to narrowing of trachea, due to which oxygen supply to lungs and body is compromised. Asana help in maintaining the trachea wide open, increase the lungs capacity and blood flow to lungs. Thus, oxygen supply is maintained, asthmatic episodes are reduced and respiratory efficiency is increased. Regulates blood flow. Yoga regulates blood flow in the body and help maintain a constant blood pressure. They help the body to relax and thus reduce the high blood pressure. Yoga calms down the body and the mind and thus blood pressure is normalized. Fifth, proper alignment of spine. Asanas such as Tadasana, Ardha Matsyendra Asana, Vakrasana, etc. correct the alignment of spine and thus improve posture and help in reducing back pain. More often, back pain occurs due to incorrect posture in which muscles get the strain and start aching. Correct posture relieves the back pain as spine straightens up.